The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, design, and functionality, making it a standout choice for those looking for an electric bike that can handle diverse terrains while providing a smooth riding experience. With its peak 1200W brushless motor, this e-bike demonstrates robust performance in both urban and off-road environments. One of the first things that catch your eye about the ACTBEST Core is its sleek, modern design. Available in several color options, the bike features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that provides strength without compromising on weight. At about 70 pounds, it's on the heavier side compared to traditional bikes, but this weight is necessary to ensure durability, especially when you consider the bike's powerful motor and battery system. The heart of this electric bike is its peak 1200W brushless motor, which delivers exceptional acceleration and climbing capabilities. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling steep hills, this motor proves to be a formidable presence, offering speeds of up to 30 miles per hour in a seamless manner. The motor functions silently, which enhances the riding experience, making it feel less mechanical and more like a traditional bike. Additionally, users can choose between different riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, or traditional cycling, allowing for a customizable experience based on individual preferences or energy levels. Battery life is another critical feature of the ACTBEST Core. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers a maximum range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding mode. This is particularly advantageous for commuters or individuals planning longer rides. The battery is removable, allowing users to charge it conveniently at home or in the office without needing to bring the entire bike indoors. Charging time averages around 6 to 8 hours, which is reasonable given the capacity. The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike also features a 7-speed transmission system, which provides smooth shifts and helps optimize performance across different terrains. Whether you are cruising along flat roads or tackling rugged trails, the gears allow for easy adjustments to maintain a comfortable pace. The bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power and quick response times, ensuring safety in various riding conditions. Another noteworthy aspect is the bike's suspension system. The ACTBEST Core is equipped with a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, making it ideal for off-road adventures. This feature significantly enhances comfort while riding over bumps and rough paths, which is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy weekend trail rides or commuting on less-than-ideal roads. The bike's handlebars are adjustable, allowing riders of different heights to find their optimal riding position. This feature significantly enhances comfort during longer rides and contributes to a more enjoyable experience overall. The LCD display located on the handlebars provides essential information, including speed, battery life, distance traveled, and selected riding mode. It's easy to read, even in bright sunlight, which is a thoughtful design element for outdoor biking. Comfort is further enhanced by the wide, cushioned saddle that supports long rides without causing discomfort. The bike also comes with integrated front and rear lights, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions and adding an extra layer of safety for urban riders. However, while the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike excels in many areas, it's essential to note that its weight may be cumbersome for some users, particularly when needing to lift or carry it. Additionally, while the larger tires are great for stability and grip, they may not be as nimble for tight city navigation compared to bikes with thinner tires. Lastly, the price point, while reasonable for the features offered, may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults stands out as a versatile and powerful option that caters to a wide range of riders. Whether you're looking for an efficient commuting solution or a robust companion for weekend adventures, this e-bike ticks many boxes. The combination of a powerful motor, a long-lasting battery, and a comfortable riding experience makes it a worthy investment for anyone serious about getting into electric biking. If you're ready to